And it's it. Drives to the hoops. Bucket for 2. Number 12. Drive side step lays. Basket. First blood. Pierre Forte again. Too strong. Put back shot and the finish. Castillo. Castillo crossover, nakalusot. Castillo easy bucket for Castillo. So, mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagayan Intertown Apong League 2024 para sa laban ng FCA Baggao versus Peña Blanca. Hey! Hey! Shoutout kay Captain Nides Headwear para sa mga gustong mag-order. Sulit at legit. Captain Nides Headwear, nasa comment section lang yung link, mga idol. And the jump ball. First ball possession, Team Baggao. And Vergado. Pass to number 3. To number 12. Drive side step lays. Basket. First blood. Peña Blanca. Javier sa corner. And a drive. Soak pass. Javier for 3. Bang! In and out and in. Crossover. Crosses the mid lane. Pass it back. No look pass inside. Nagawa ni Gamal. Pass break. Kicks out. Javier for 3 again. Too strong. Put back shot and the finish. Vergado ibababa ang bola. Between the legs. Stops. Pull up 3. Off the mark. And here's number 7. Peña Blanca bumangga. Floater of the window. Bucket for 2. Here's number 3 to number 12. Miguel. For 3. And here's Peña Blanca number 7. Whoa! Yes, the plus. Bucket for Castillo. Castillo crossover, nakalusot. Castillo easy. Bucket for Castillo. And here's side step, kicks out. Pull up J, 2-point area. Wala. Rebound. And rebound floater short. Rebound by Castillo. And the long pass. Recovered. No basket. For the inbound. And pass to Castillo. Castillo. Corner. Sa 3-1. Bang! And number 7. Castillo to Vergado. Vergado. Step back for 3. Bang! Bulls. Castillo. Stop. Pass to the corner. Sa 3. Bang! 1. Behind the back dribble. Pass inside. Supalpal. Pablo. Nagawan. Lays to easy bucket. Vergado. Lumusot. Vergado. Binitbit layers layup. Short. And is it Noel slaps to the hoops. Bucket for 2. And here's Pablo. Pass inside. Bullet pass. Fast hoop. And here's number 27. Dito spins. Sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Bitawan. Recover. Kicks out. Contents drives. Pinitbit. Pasok yan. Rebound dito. Pass break. Nauna na si Castillo. Pass inside. And it's bounce pass. Bumangga. Offensive foul. Castillo drives. Fires off the no good. Wala. Rebound. Put back off the glass. Bucket for 2. And one hand pass. Number 11 for 3. Castillo. And a drives bounce pass. And lays basket and 1. And 6.7 seconds sa 3. Bang! Nara 3. Pinukol. And it's Bergado. Bergado. Corner. Wide open for 3, Miguel. Off target. Rebound. Bumalik. Floater. Bakit for 2. Here's Tempeña Blanca. Number 7. Tunarag. Number 7. And bumalik sa Narag. 11. Direct floater of the window. Manny Nara. Number 6. Kicks out. Fires at 3. Not good. Put back of the window. Manny. Bergado. Bergado stops. Oops, so palpal yung inabot. Na-recover fast and basket and 1. Stop. Pull up J. No good. Put back of the glass. Big lang. The corner sa 3. Bang! 3. And it's number 7. It's Javier lays up. Too strong. Rebound. Put back of the glass again. And it's number 3. 14 Baggao. Umatake. Corner pass sa 3. Bang! Back to back 3. Number 7. He fakes and a drive. Javier. Pull up J. To set. Put back again. Off the glass again. And a pass break. And here's number 3. Kicks out. Wild open for 3. No good. Put back of the window. Manny. To the corner. Umatake. Side step layup. Pasok yan. And here you go. Pass to number 12. Number 8. Binalik. Ipinasa pabalik. Lumusot. Tispin. Uy, nakalusot na talaga. Uy, tips in. Wala. Tip in pa din. Pasok yan. And corner. Sa 3. Bang! Again. 3 sa 3. Bang! Javier. Arpon. Bounce pass. Arpon. To the middle. Lopez picks. Fire. Lopez. Pass to Bergado. Bergado. Umatake. Sa gilid. Sa 3. Bang! Again! And here's Castillo. Again, 1. Bang! Back to back. And here's number 8 spins. Pass in number 9. Arpon. Kicks out. Sa 3. Bang! Javier. 2 minutes left. Gamal. And he spins. Fakes. So palpal. Castillo. Dumisit. Kicks to corner. 1. To the middle. Bergado. Drives. Fade away of the glass. Bergado. Nagbitawan. Nag-agawan ng Candy. Nakakuha ngayon ng And Javier. Sumapalpal. Tatlo yung sumapalpal sa kanya. And here's Castillo. Castillo. Nakalusot. Lace. Castillo. Bakit for 2. Tapikan. Loses the ball. 5 seconds. Bumit-bit. Sumapalpal. And a drive. Floater. Basok. And Castillo sumisigsag. Natapikan. Sa gitna. 1 bounce. Fades away. Pasok yan. And it's pass inside. Bina floater. Pasok yan. Narag. Ewan. The long pass. Floater. Easy bucket. And here you go. Picks. Crossover. Step back for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Uy. Grabing rebound yun. And Castillo nakalusot. Pinabitin of the glass. Bucket. Here's number 7. Narag. To number 7. To Narag. Open for 3. Bang! 3. And pass back. And here's Castillo. Natapikan na agawan. And Narag. Bounce pass. Fires off the window. Bucket for 2. Number 7. Pass to number 11. Narag. Naagawan. And here's number 3. Oh! Biglang may nadapa. Parang may umiscreen sa screenan. Here's number 7. Oops. Bounce pass inside. Reverse layup. Pasok yan. Pass. And drives floater. No, too strong. Kicks out. Drives ulit. Up sa gitna. Floater. Basket and one. The inbound. Gandang pass sa reverse. Pinaka-out pa. Basket and one. And 1 point lead for Team Bagao. Number 7. Pass to Narag. One base. Reverse layup. Wala. Nakakuha dito ng Bagao. Castillo. The bounce pass. Sakto yung pass sa floater. Basket for 2. Na 3 point lead for Team Bagao. Here's Team Peña Blanca sa gitna for the tie. Bang! Nakauna na. Binitbit plays. Basket for 2. Oy! Castillo 2. Bublo. Castillo. Pull up J. Double foul. For the inbound, Castillo, Pablo off the glass, basket and one, Pablo. And 2 point lead. And drives, kicks out. And the plays, too strong. And the rebound. Oop, natapikan. And this, ninasa pa floater, short. And 64-62. Castillo, pinabitin, wala. Rebound, reverse lawe. Pasok yan. And there you go. Sa tres. Wala. Rebound. Castillo. 4 point lead. Sa tres. Bang! And here's Castillo. Castillo bounce pass. Deliver of the glass. Packet is good. 71-62. And 10 seconds on the game clock. Fakes. Kicks out. Sa long tray. Natapikan, recover, reverse layup. Put back shot. And 3 seconds. And Vergado, one single shot sa gitna, sa corner. And drives. Kicks out. Nagawan. There's it. Baywanga. Oh, power move. No basket. 6 point lead. Castillo, drive, fix, lobs, plays. Oh, what a dive shot, Castillo. And a baseball bounce pass. There is no good. Rebound. Long pass. And nauna na Castillo. Pinabitpin. Wala. Rebound. Reverse layup. Wala. Put back. And there's Castillo. And there's pass to the corner. Pass to the middle. The crossover. Drive. Pass inside. Floater of the glass. Narag. Castillo. 7 point lead. 75-65. And drives for Supalpal. And 8 point lead big spin. And this Castillo. Rebound, Narag. Save pass, Gisagan. Pass to Pagulayan. Gisagan to Espinasa. Left points, wala. Rebound. Pass break. Castillo. Pass 2. Oops, wala. Castillo. Fires off the glass. Castillo. Number 7. The bounce pass. 4-3. Javier. Won't go. And the rebound. Kumaldag. Pagulayan. Floater. Bucket for 2. 10 point lead. Team Bagao. Castillo behind the back dribble, spins, kicks out. And Vergado lays, no good. Rebound, Castillo. Pass to the middle. And you step back for 3. No good. Rebound. Castillo pa rin. Fades away. Castillo, no good. Uy. Smart play. Backdoor inbound. Uy, sakto yung pasa. Uy, perfect. 9-point lead. 14 Bagao. Kisagan. Kisagan, the bounce pass. Javier picks. Naiwan yung bola. Pass to Kisagan. Pass inside. Pagulayan. Pagulayan of the glass. Pagulayan. And number Castillo. Castillo drives. Lays up. Pasok yan. Castillo again. Sagan, corner. Sa 3. Target, rebound. Sa gitna. Pass inside. Bucket for 2. Pagul. Is Bergado. Sumigsag. Bergado. Spins, picks. Pass inside. Backdoor inbound, pass again. Up. Uy. And here you go, Bergado. Stepping. And here you go. Ball possession for Peña Blanca. 27, Javier for 3. Won't go. And the pass break. Castillo. Dalawa yung gumardya sa palpal. 7. A drive. So palpal din. For the inbound. Looking for receiver. Narag bumangga, spins. Pass to the middle. One bounce. Fatter. Bucket for 2. And you go. Spins. Oops. Sagan. Kicks out, picks, Narag, pull up J, Narag. And here's Castillo, oops. Cross pass. Bergado, di distansya. Bergado, pull up J, bucket, Bergado. And drives. Bergado. Setting the play. Bergado. Biglang bumukol ng 3. Won't go. Narag. And Narag. Pass to Kisagan. Kisagan. Umatake. Kicks out. Alam. Pinasa sa loob. Oops. And a ball possession for Team Bagao. Bergado. Kicks out sa 3. Won't go. Rebound. And the long pass. Sakto yung pass sa Narag. Floater. Bucket for the lead. Bergado. 1-on-1, step back. Pass, bounce pass. Nagawan. Last on the free throw. Wala. Rebound ulit. And 2 on the free throw, Narag. First throw. Bucket. Second on the free throw, Narag. Nondu. Nakuha na naman, Narag. Narag ulit. Last free throw on Narag. And a bucket again. For the inbound. Pass back, Castillo. Miguel for 3. And here's 1. Rebound na naman. And congratulations, Team Peña Blanca.